Do you want to make money with AI video, but don't know where to start? Or maybe you've tried making videos, but none of them actually got you paid. If that sounds familiar, I've got excellent news. You see, ads are the highest paid category of AI video. Nothing comes close, and I've tried a lot. The reason creators avoid AI ads is that they think it takes months to learn or costs too much to create the quality brands pay for. But I started making ads 3 months ago, and it wasn't the case at all. And it only cost me like $50, and I earned so much more than that. I can't believe I'm actually gonna do this, but in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact workflow I use to make Hollywood-level ads for companies like Beardbrand, Pedro, and many others. Each piece only takes a couple of days, even if you're new to AI tools or working completely solo. Step 1. Start with an idea.
No kidding!
AI ads shine when there's a story behind them. You need to either find the product's standout feature or the brand's core personality and build a story that will showcase either of them. Like if it's a toaster, figure out what to highlight. Maybe it's the 6 toast presets. Maybe the 2 slice capacity. But above all, the ad needs to be entertaining. Everything else is secondary. So how do you make such a boring product not boring? There are many ways. Personally, I lean towards something funny, shocking, or just weird enough to stop people from scrolling. I'm making the bread the hero of this story, or something like that. The bread meets toaster, no. But let's make him look cute. Everybody loves cute food. I'll name him Bruno. But where's the funny part? Let's make him run away in fear. Can't blame him. Who wouldn't be scared of a toaster?
A few moments later.
And that's my rough draft. I'm just going to plug this into ChatGPT. Actually, you can use any chat AI you want. It doesn't have to be ChatGPT. Just paste the draft, then prompt convert this draft into a
40-second script for an ad.
include camera angle, timestamps, and voiceovers ready for storyboarding. And just like that, we now have a script we can use for storyboarding. Pro tip, I would definitely change up a few things at this point to make sure that the script is splendid. AI is only good at enhancing ideas, nothing more. You need to train your brain to spot good and bad ideas. Step 2. Storyboarding. This is where my prompt templates come in. They're my secret to creating high-quality AI videos in a short time frame. Before we start storyboarding, we need to lock in our character design first. I'm giving away all my prompt templates for various AI tools. Just download from the link I provided. For the image generation, I recommend Midjourney, but this template can also work with other AI image gens like Flux. Just drag and drop a template into your chosen chat AI, then describe how you want the image to look. Anyone who's been using AI knows that prompting takes the most work. What we're doing here is giving the AI the key details while letting it handle the rest, so we don't waste time over-describing every single thing. Chat gave me this output. Next, we'll paste this into Midjourney, or whatever image generator you prefer, and here's what I got. I'll pick one of these as the reference for our character to keep him consistent. Now let's bring this storyboard to life, starting with the first scene. Even with broken English, ChatGPT can still understand you, and it still remembers the prompt template we've uploaded earlier. Here's what it gave me. I usually generate all the images first. Once that's done, I have a complete storyboard ready for animation. If you found the information in this video valuable thus far, you're gonna want to subscribe to my brand new newsletter. That's where I share all my AI video money-making techniques straight to your inbox. Step 3. My animation process consists mostly of image-to-video generation, where we animate the storyboard we just created. Some people love to use text-to-video, that's fine, but in my opinion, image-to-video gives you way more control. There are tons of amazing video generators out there, each with its strengths. We don't have time to dive into all of them now, and that's fine. You only need one. In fact, sticking to one tool makes your whole process much simpler. I'll be sharing templates for every video generator I use, but for this toaster example, I'm using Kling. Kling is easily one of the top 3 right now, just behind Veo and Sora. For example, in the beginning, the script says close-up of the loaf as it gets sliced. Let's copy this. Let ChatGPT take care of the prompt thanks to my Kling template. Then I generate it on Kling. Don't forget to upload your image for the scene. You can choose between different models. 2.1 and 2.5 Turbo are the most cost-effective. I'm using 2.1 now. Click Generate, and here's what it gave me. Not bad. Once you've animated all the images in your storyboard, you need an editor to put them all together. I use Premiere Pro, but if you're new to editing, I recommend you use something more basic. CapCut is the obvious choice. iMovie if you're using Mac. They're free and much easier for beginners. AI is already automating most of the editing process anyway, so don't waste time learning complex software unless you really need to. In the editor, line up your clips in order, trim the rough parts. You can layer in music, sound effects, or add some voiceover. It really depends on your story and style. I urge you to experiment until it feels right. This is art, so there are no rules. Here are the two free tools that let you do all that. And once your video's done, it's time for the most important part, getting the money. By the way, if you're not sure how to get your first clients, watch my other video on how to make money with AI videos. That one walks you through all the full client acquisition process step by step. Now, sending to the client. Wait, wrong email. Yeah, that's probably it. And in case you didn't know, what I just showed you was my very first AI ad. You can watch it here.